Hey guys, welcome back to Code with DC YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how to use YouTube effectively for your learnings and for your everything, whatever you want to search on YouTube and learn it from and become a productive. My aim is to make you productive at the end of every video, whatever you want, whatever you are learning from wherever video in YouTube. So let's get started, guys. So our first topic is to how to search for learnings, like if you are in the 10th standard or if you are just graduating. So this will be really helpful for everyone. So first of all, whenever you are coming here to in the search bar, first of all you need to think of what you need to search. If you first of all, some topics should be in your mind. So for example, I will take an example, we can, for Java programming, like we want to learn Java programming. So what should we type here as a, like, if you want to learn from Java start, so there should be some video you want. Like if you want to learn Java completely, for basically what happens here is that uh, for Java programming, you need to understand first basic things of Java. So how you will search here? Okay. So here you need to uh, write a Java prerequisite sites. Okay. If you are starting from first here. Okay. So here if you write like this Java prerequisite, you will find lots of videos here, lots of videos. Okay. So here, as you can see, telescope, how much waves is how much waves are there, you can see from here. And the prerequisites to learn Java, this title looks good, but the thing is, this video meant for before 5 years ago. Okay. And total views are 2,47,000 views. It means that this video, something is in special in this video. And the timing you can see from here, like 4 minutes 40 seconds. So what your next steps would be, like if you want to check another videos, you can apply those steps as well. So first of all, if you click here, okay. So here next thing would come here is you need to check that only prerequisite video is created, or is there any other things. So like playlist or anything, like here you can see, uh, this is the other videos of Telesco. This is also a Telesco channel only. So here you need to check their is they are really dedicated to this Java programming language, or just created an entertainment video for the people. That we have to check. That we have to go inside the playlist. So here I have seen that there are mm, had made. Next step come here is to like check which one is suitable for us. Here one is Java programming. Let's search for the Java programming. For that, for the for like fast search, you can click on the Control F button or your keyboard. After that, you can write here Java. Okay. Total 36 things are matching. So you can check from here. Java like community class, which is not for us. As you can see here, Java tutorial in 7 hours, complete in 7 hours. So this may be helpful for us if we learn Java in less amount of time, that we need to note. Okay, this is of total 6 hours, 6 hours and 48 minutes. Okay, so that we need to take care of. There are total, okay, every video he had dedicated to This is also work on the Java servlet and JSP2. So that kind of thing. So that kind of thing we need to do. Okay. So and another step here is to like uh, Java programming tutorial. This is the 74 one. Okay. This is for fast-paced people who want to learn things faster, like in less amount of time. Like if you are in the in your in your graduation, like in your last year of the graduation, so you may prefer this one. This would be really helpful for you. But if you are like if you are just started, okay, if you are just started, then you can go slowly from here. You need to check that you have time or not to do particular thing. Okay, you need to first check you have a particular time or not. If you have a particular time or particular amount of time that you can spend, so this tutorial will may help you, because lots of things this person have covered you need to check. Okay, like you need to first check that the syllabus of your things are matching with this or not. 80 if 80 to 70 to 80% syllabus is matching, then it's good enough to start with this YouTube channel. Okay, this is the first step if you are starting new thing. And that's it for this step. Like if you are starting a new thing, so you can go with that, go like this way. And the another thing is like if you I want to add one thing in that, like if you want uh, to check like these videos are not getting into your, so you can just go back simply. You no need to be dependent on these videos. Like I'm not suggesting you to go to Telesco or go to any particular YouTube channel, because every person have different mindset, every person have different thinking. Okay, so for that if you are like you need to first check if in case you are not understanding Telescope videos, so you need to first check from which people you are getting your understanding clear. So after getting that one video which is really helpful for you, which gives you lots of values in less amount of time, so that video will be good for you, and you can follow that steps as well. And one last thing I need to mention here is don't put lots of time to a particular video, only finding to some videos. If you're not understanding things from two to more people's, so I will recommend to first understand, first read some articles, then move forward. Otherwise it will be really lots of time taking process, so you need to worry for that. Okay, so after that what comes next? This is the for basic one. Here how you can search, like you can search Java prerequisites, Java tutorial for beginners. This is also a good one. If you can choose your language also. Like in India people are using Hindi language for communication, then they can use Hindi, or they can use Tamil, Telugu. That's like you can use. And another thing, like if you want to search like how to particular thing from your subject, like in Java there is servlet, which we have seen here. So you can directly search from here what is servlet. Okay, like that you can see here. If you click here, then lots of people have been making video on this topic, introduction to servlet, and you can check accordingly. The timing is very important part. You need to check that how much time do you want to spend on this thing. If this thing requires more time and more explanation to get into that, so you need to check the timing as well. Okay, that will be our focus. So the next thing comes here is like if you want to uh, another thing comes here is what another. And another thing I want to tell here is if you want some tutorials like instead of your syllabus of your college or we can say that your schools, apart from that, what to learn like uh, how to use like you want some tutorial kind of thing, so you need to just write tutorial for like here we can take an example of tutorial for MS Word. Okay, here you can like right here, so Microsoft Word tutorials will be come here. So what we have to see here, like we have to first check what is in the title, like Microsoft Word tutorial, and it is in Hindi language, which is after that the complete MS Word tutorial for beginner. Okay, it's this the title saying that this video is having a complete MS Word tutorial for beginner, which is after that like he's saying about complete thing. So maybe he is covering what we can say 80% or 70% of the MS Word. Okay, so here it will cover all the he may cover all the basics. So what we need to check here is what is the time it has been taken to complete provide you Microsoft Word tutorial. Okay, that we have to check. So here you can see three almost 4 hours he had spent it to tell about MS Word. So maybe this is little bit lengthier and more explanation maybe we can expect is mentioned in this video. But if you are like have less amount of time, then you need to go on another one, another things like as you can, if you have more times, then you can see here like MS Word basics, then they will teach you about from starts. As you can see here for tutorial points, they have made it almost 35 videos on it. Okay, in MS Word. So maybe you can follow these tutorials to have a good understanding, because if they have created some playlist, then they are following some structured way to provide you a solution that needs to be understand. Okay, after that what comes next here is like if you want a tutorial of like Photoshop tutorial for Photoshop, you can write for beginners, and you can every time use if you are learning new things and you are a beginner. Okay, you can use like tutorial for Photoshop for beginners. So after that you can see here the first video which comes in front of you is Photoshop tutorial for beginners 2022, which is mentioning that this year he has posted this video, but this is posted in 2021, which is 1 year ago. Okay, everything you need to know, then maybe it sounds good to me and you as well. So first of all you need to go and watch 15 minutes of the video, and after watching 15 minutes of video you may get kind of knowledge that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, that you have to cover. uh, they will at the start they will mention that they will be going to show you this much of things in that amount of video. Okay, this is kind of playlist only. so you can go another one also according to your languages and other things. So and after that, if you are like this is all about searching, and that's it for this video guys, and we'll meet in the another video. If you guys like my video, then please press the bell icon, press subscribe button and the bell icon also to receive notifications from my channel, and don't forget to like my videos. And thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.